What's up, YouTube? As you see, we have new parts for the 6.0 engine. So we'll start on this side. We got a new bolt for the crankshaft pulley. A new crankshaft, our new harmonic balancer. We have the rings for the piston, the lifted guide kit, a high volume oil pump, head bolt kit, new push rods, the seals for the front and rear, head gaskets, Summer Racing oil pan, Summer Racing cam, GM Performance main cap bolts, timing chain cover, ICT adapter plate, Summer Racing rock arm upgrade kit. Also, I received this from Riviera Customs. Check him out on YouTube. He got a nice little Regal build. So go check out Riviera Customs also while you're at it. More updates come soon.